Want to make your WordPress posts easier to find and improve your website's organization? One simple way is by adding tags. Today, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Posts Greater Than All Posts. Once there, find the post you want to work on and click Edit. This will open the post editor where all the magic happens. Next, look for the tags box, usually on the right-hand sidebar. Can't see it? Don't worry, just click the settings icon in the top right corner. It's a square with two uneven columns and the sidebar will appear. Now, it's time to add your tags. Simply type your desired tag into the tags box. If it already exists, it will show up in a dropdown and you can just select it. If it's a new tag, press enter or click add to create and assign it. You can also add multiple tags by separating each one with a comma, making it easy to categorize your posts under several topics. Adding tags not only helps visitors find related content, but it can also boost your site's SEO. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've organized your post and made it more discoverable. Try it out on your next post and see how it improves navigation and visibility.